Aldi has done it again, guys. They have garden tools, decor, fixtures, and flowers at unbeatable prices. So come along with me and let's see what they have. My name is Marlene. Welcome to our home and garden channel. So the first thing I saw when I went through the door were these hanging baskets for $8.99. I thought that was really, really a good buy. They had geraniums in there. They had coleus in there. And these are actually 10 inches wide. And the containers are reusable. So, and of course, they're begonias. And, they're reusable. So, of course, once those flowers die, you can always use them the following season. So, that is awesome. Next thing were these welcome mats. And I didn't see the price on this one specifically, which actually was my favorite over there. I did see these right next to it. And these were going for $7.99. I'm going to assume that they were both for the same price. And I've always loved these. They're sturdy, they're beautiful, they're great, to put around like your garden beds or where you want to kind of hedge off a little bit. And they have little holes so you can always stick picks down in there or hooks to keep it firm in the ground. And these, for me, I really wish I had rails or window boxes to put them nearby. They're so beautiful and I just love them. And, they just have that natural look. And geraniums are great flowers to put in those and so many other different types. And these are the liners right here, the coconut coir. You can see for $2.49. That's a really good buy because these are the larger sizes. You can see by the size by my hand there. You see how wide they were. And they have the fully assembled one here. So you can always get those and change them out, because they do break down after a while. And this is a little lonesome one right here. And of course, you can understand why. $4.99, guys. And these right here, I thought this was really, really nice. $3.99. And I think I'm going to get one of these. Keep watching to see the reason why I thought I should get one of them. And over here, they had these little pink baskets. I thought they were so cute. They can be used as planters because they are waterproof. You can always line them on the inside, put your liner with holes in there, and you can plant them, flowers in there or use it any other way you like. And this is not sponsored, guys. I'm just always telling you the things that I see so you can make some really good decisions out there. And these little ceramic containers, I thought they were so, so nice. They were for $3.99. Very, very cute. Very, very whimsical. If you have kids and grandkids, this would be perfect for them. Or if you like that style too, perfect for you. And over here, these were some other containers right here. Nice and strong. Sounded really good. You can see how much they were going for. And I've always loved these. My boys got one of those for me a few years ago for Mother's Day, and I thought it was so nice. And they're a lot bigger than they look. The camera doesn't show you quite the size, but they're a lot wider than they look. And they're really, really quite useful. So I really, really like them. I love the colors. And they have holes in the bottom. All of these that you're seeing. And I think plants like these, like the kalanchoe, they're succulent in nature. So I think they're great for planters like those. And, they don't need a lot of care. You don't have to water them too often. And they look so, so pretty. So I think those are some good options. And these were from Home Depot a few weeks ago. They also have these over here. These are the ones that you can paint yourself. So you can just go ahead and maybe have a little paint party with some kids or even yourself with friends. And over here, these were some gloves, and I always like to have a nice sturdy pair of gloves. These look like they were padded really nicely, and I love the colors. They also have the animal print if that's more your style. And I just think it looks really pretty and just very dainty, but very strong at the same time. And they had those clogs over there as well. And, when you have wet mornings out or rainy days and you want to go in the garden, I think these are perfect for that for $8.99. I think that's a really, really good buy. And I absolutely love this one. This is a great token, I think, for Mother's Day. And it has like the weeder, it has a trowel, and it also has the cultivator in there. And they felt pretty sturdy to me, so I thought these would be a really nice gift to give or just to get for yourself. And up here now they also had these sets. They had the utility 6-in-1 right there and the double pruners. So I thought that was a really good buy. And you can see they have the colors that match, different things that they have down there. So that was for $7.99. And just take a look at it, guys. It's 6-in-1. So you buy one thing and you get all the other things, your pruners and all the other things that they have there. Over next to them, they had these are like raised beds, on the, the ones on the legs. They're not that large. So I would say these are maybe like for shallow rooted plants like herbs and just, smaller type flowers. But I think it's really great if you have a limited space to work with. They're 5.25 gallons, I would say. And they have the pink ones and the black ones. So you do have different options available for you as well. Great for balconies and back patios and things like that. And then over here, they have this watering wand right here for $4.99. And they have different colors. And if you have like hanging baskets, I think that those are great for that. So that's a good one to have. And then these deep kneeling pads are right here, very well padded. But I'm thinking that, these, that you'd probably have to wash them on delicates because they are going to get dirty. So I don't know if that would be my first choice, but it certainly is there if that would work for you. And they also had these green ones right here as well too, where you can actually strap those over your knees and you can kneel with those. So, there are different options that are available. I think these ones are my favorite though, because these ones right here, they felt so soft and you could clean them off very easily, and they have different colors. You can see 3 colors there and for a very good price. So I thought that that was a really, really good one. So you can let me know in the comments which of these would be your favorite. Over here, they had these edgers. So if you're trying to make a little edging around your garden, you can stick those in and it pulls the soil out, and it kind of makes a clear path for you as to where you'd put them on the padded handles. Make it a lot easier in your hands too. So I really, really like that. And we recently did a video, my husband and I, where we showed you just some easy options we can do, edging around your garden to give it that little lift. So I will link this in the description box if you wanted to check it out. Or actually at the end, you'll see it there. And, you can check it out. And there's just so many good options there for you. So I'd say take a look at it if you have not seen it. And just to show you again what it looks like, these tools are just making life so much easier for us in the garden. And over here, they had this one. It's kind of like a weeding tool, but I'm not sure how that works. I've done the grandpa weeder before in previous videos, and those I knew how those work. That one I'm not so sure. And these are some like potting tables where you can, pot your plants on here. You can also maybe store like seedlings on there. You can put your tools on there depending on where you're keeping them. And they're wooden, so I think they're really good, and they have a good height. Over here, if you need like wider hats as the weather gets warmer, to protect yourself from the sun, you can get those. And they also had these little tables. They also had some mosaic pattern ones as well too. So really nice to just put on your little outdoor space to enjoy the area. You can see what's looking right there. And then also for outdoor space, they had these like a little umbrella table. They can just snap it around an umbrella. That's pretty much all you have out there. You can rest a drink on there or something like that. And they also had the light fixtures, so you can put it under the umbrella, and at night, it's going to light up, and you'll have light out there if you wanted to enjoy your outdoor space that way. And they had egg chairs, guys. If you've never had an egg chair, this might be your chance to get one. $49.99. And as you can see, they had the black ones, and they also had the beige one as well too. So different options available for you there. And if you're still hardening off your plants, from indoor to outdoor, then these are some good options for you. These little greenhouses that they have right here, I really, really like them. $7.99. Another good buy, I think. And then over here now they had these birdhouses, which I thought were so cute. I really like how they look. I like the color. It's wooden at the bottom, kind of like a little plastic resin that's at the top. $7.99. And just showing you right here on the back, they have a little part that comes in, so you can put it right next to your tree, kind of like, it's hugging the tree in a sense. And I know the birds will be very, very comfortable with something nestled in there like that. You still get to watch them if you need to. So it's a really, really creative way to make it. And I just want to take a moment to invite you to subscribe to our channel if you have never done so before. My husband and I, we do lots of gardening topics. We do like garden DIYs. We show you what's at the different stores in your garden centers, just so you can, get some ideas. We go over mistakes that we learn from, things we think will help you, so you can have a great gardening experience. And if you haven't gotten a notification in a while, even though you hit the bell twice, just stop by, because we do weekly videos, so something will be there. And you can also support our channel by getting merchandise on the product link, little shopping bag that you see. It's a great way to support us. And over here now they have these stakes right here, and I think they're kind of fancy, very colorful, like blown glass, for $12.99. And if you like that once upon a time story time theme in your garden, then these are really, really nice. And I think they were a pretty decent size for $9.99. Nice colors. Over here, these are some solar ones, figurines that you can put in your garden. And I love the lighthouse one. I think a light from a lighthouse in your garden is really, really cute. So I like that. If you're into the animal ones, these options are there for you as well. And they also had these solar lights. I think these are more like if you have more like of a bohemian style in your garden, then these would be perfect for that. And as you can see, it's solar right there. The cells are there. You can see them, and they're made of metal. And they also have the copper tone version as well too. So you have different options that are available. $7.99. Speaking of copper tone, these are some garden stakes that they have. So if you're trying to match those two together, this is a good option to put with it. And over here, they had some wind spinners. So if you have like kids and grandkids, or just to enjoy them yourself, it's very relaxing. You can just hang them and they, will spin for you. And these go on the side of your raised bed. So if you wanted to see what's happening out there at night, or just to keep certain little pests away from your raised bed, sometimes the light might keep them away, so they may not come. So that's a good option for you there. $9.99. I thought this was a little different. It's kind of like a C-shaped table. So I'm guessing you'd put something on top. You can put something, below the top, and put a chair next to it. These are like lattice that you can put up, like a trellis. And I'm thinking these are more for espalier. $9.99 was the price that they were going for. And Diane, if you're watching, let me know. These over here, these are like pretty little wreaths, and I think they're so nice. You can put one. They're not that large, but they're still large enough. You can put two on double doors if you have double doors. And recently we did this porch refresh, my husband and I, showing you how we decorated or, refreshed our porch with wreaths, with a wreath, and lots of fresh flowers out there. And we like to, season to season, we like to change it out because I think it brings your garden to your house. So let's take a look at what I got, which was just this today. And the reason why I got it is because, well, one, you can see it, you stick it in the pot. It's going to go in the holes at the top. You can actually put one on top of the other, so you can make it taller if you want. So your plant can wrap around a little bit higher. And I have quite a few plants like pothos and so on that will need something like this. You can go up and then go back down. So I think it is great. It also has a little bit of extra twine. So if you wanted to support it in certain areas, you can use it to do that as well. One thing I'll say about Aldi is that, you have to get them while they're there, because once they're gone, they're gone. So if you see something that you like here, or you're going to your center, just get them if you have it's in your budget at that time, because you most likely will go back and it might not be there unless it's maybe like the very same day or something. So I'd say get them if you see it and you like it. And, there's something there for everyone, I think, for low budget, high budget, whatever the case. But we just love seeing the things that they have. And, we do compare it with other stores as well, too, from time to time. So, again, it's not sponsored. It's just based on what we're seeing, just to give you great ideas. So thank you all so much for coming by. Thank you for those of you who share my videos with those who love gardening. And we hope that this gave you some great inspiration. Happy gardening. And I do hope to see you in the next one. Take care.